Welcome to the Commercial Painting Authority podcast. I'm Nick Cole, and today we're demystifying sustainable coatings, systems that protect your assets, improve indoor air quality, and lower life cycle cost without sacrificing performance. Sustainable doesn't just mean green, it means low-emitting, durable finishes that extend repaint cycles, cut waste, and reduce energy use through smarter color and reflectance. My goal is to give you a framework you can apply across food processing, healthcare, retail, and industrial facilities, so specifying paint becomes straightforward. Start with health and compliance. Look for low or zero VOC, low odor formulations that meet LEED v4.1, low emitting requirements, Green Guard Gold, and Green Seal GS11. For performance screening, the MPI Extreme or MPI Green listings help you compare options. Ask manufacturers for health product declarations and environmental product declarations, and verify safety data sheets alongside product data sheets. One tip, confirm post-tint VOC content, not just base paint numbers, and ensure your painter logs lot numbers to support proper sustainability submittals. Put performance first, because the most sustainable coating is the one you don't have to repaint often. Evaluate scrub resistance, stain and chemical resistance, block resistance, adhesion, abrasion, and if exterior, UV retention. For metal, consider corrosion protection. For floors, impact and thermal shock tolerance. Specify the right sheen for cleanability and scuff resistance in high-traffic corridors, lobbies, and back-of-house spaces. Durability extends repaint cycles, reduces labor, materials, packaging waste, and disruption, and delivers a lower total cost of ownership over the life of your facility. Choose resins that fit the environment. Waterborne acrylics are the low-odor workhorse for drywall and masonry. Waterborne alkyd hybrids give alkyd-like hardness with water cleanup and lower VOC. Use waterborne epoxies for cleanability and chemical resistance on walls and block. Step up to high solids or 100% solids epoxies for floors demanding impact and low emissions. Aliphatic urethanes add UV and abrasion resistance. Polysiloxanes pair build with gloss retention on steel. Mineral silicate paints and breathable elastomerics manage masonry moisture. Think in systems, compatible primer, intermediate, and top coat with specified DFT, recoat windows, and manufacturer-backed warranties. Industry needs drive specification. In food and beverage, confirm USDA FDA acceptability where relevant, select HACCP-friendly light colors to reveal soil, and use antimicrobial, highly cleanable wall systems. On hot, wet, or caustic floors, urethane cement resurfacers handle thermal shock, with broadcast aggregates for slip resistance. In healthcare and biopharma, prioritize ultra-low odor, microbicidal or infection control coatings, and cleanroom-compatible systems that shed minimal particles. Specify chemical resistance for disinfectants and ESD control where processes require it. Retail, hospitality, and financial spaces benefit from fast return to service, durable scuff-resistant finishes, and sheens tuned for cleanability and glare. Industrial and utility owners should pair zinc-rich primers with urethane or polysiloxane top coats for long-term corrosion protection. Let substrates guide choices. Drywall typically favors waterborne acrylic systems. CMU often needs block filler. Concrete demands moisture and pH awareness. On interior floors, use 100% solids epoxy for low VOC and impact, then urethane top coats for UV and abrasion, or urethane cement when thermal shock and wet cleaning dominate. For exterior masonry, use breathable elastomerics. For historic mineral substrates, mineral silicate paints bond chemically. Treat concrete and masonry with silane or siloxane repellents. On roofs, specify cool, high-reflectance coatings where appropriate and leverage LRV metrics inside. Where required, use Class A and waterborne intumescent fireproofing. Quality control underpins sustainability. Do mock-ups, pull adhesion tests per ASTM D3359, and test concrete moisture per ASTM F2170. Verify steel and concrete prep meet AMPP SSPC standards and required proper surface profile. Prep right, clean degloss, neutralize pH, and you'll prevent early failure. Reduce waste with high transfer equipment, accurate takeoffs, just-in-time tinting, and responsible cleanup and recycling. Maintain indoor air quality, or IAQ, with after-hours work, containment, negative air, and scrubbers. In southern New England, plan for freeze-thaw, coastal salt, humidity, and low-temperature cure windows. Partner with experienced contractors, then maintain with cleaning, map touch-ups, and documented inspections. Let's get rolling on a quote today. Contact Arthur Cole Painting Corporation today by calling 508-799-90119, emailing estimatingcolepainting.com, or filling out our contact form at https://joshcolepainting.com contact to schedule a complimentary consultation and discuss your project needs. We will provide you with a detailed proposal outlining the scope of work, timeline, and competitive pricing. That's a wrap. We define sustainable coatings, aligned health and certifications with real documentation, put durability first, matched resin families to environments, and tailored systems by industry and substrate. We also covered prep, testing, application efficiency, IAQ, climate, and long-term maintenance. Use this roadmap to protect assets, support occupant health, and lower lifecycle costs. I'm Nick Cole. Thanks for listening today.